Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I am sharing a new product from the Happy Planner. And these, you guessed it, are twin loop planners. These are part of the spring release. It will be available on February the 22nd. And I received 2 different twin loop planners in my squad box, and so I wanted to flip through them with you. This is a different feel. These are not discs. This does not have paper that is removable. The covers are gorgeous. First of all, it's like this muted rainbow, which I absolutely love. It says, "Oh, happy day." It is like durable. This is, a really strong kind of cardboard material. Look at the rainbows on the inside. So cute. And then for the back cover, we have the same rainbow, the Happy Planner logo, and then the rainbows on the inside. So super cute. These are meant to be layouts that you know and love, except that they are twin loop styles. So if you like the idea of your planner all being together, of not having to worry about pages coming in and out, you don't like to necessarily do the Franken planning thing, which is putting together different planners, then this just might be the planner for you. All right, so this one is a vertical layout, and you have, again, your title page, hello, this Happy Planner belongs to. This one goes from July 2022 through December 2023. So it is an 18-month planner. It has just some little dots here in the middle, so not a lot, pretty neutral so far. Here's your year at a glance, and then your year to plan kind of ahead. This is where I do a lot of my pre-planning on these particular pages. You come up to your currently page. This definitely looks like the style of the currently pages from Happy Planner recently. You have priorities and goals and important dates. Then we have our divider, good things are coming. And again, very simple, just these little dots right in here. Otherwise, very neutral, easy to decorate. And you get to your layout. So super simple, super neutral, but again, just a different style with that twin loop style. Let's see if there's a quote on the 3rd week. That usually happens with Happy Planner. Yep, do more of what makes you happy. So a quote on the 3rd week. And then we finish out and we are to the next month. So here's August. You are in the right place. Let's check out the rest of the dividers. Gorgeous. We rise by lifting others. By doing what you love, you inspire and awaken the hearts of others. So pretty. Here's November. I love the color tones on this. I think it's gorgeous. You make a big difference every day. That's gorgeous too. Focus on the good. That's a really nice blue gray. The bravest thing you can be is yourself. I love the inspiring messages. Like I'm a sucker for all the inspiring dividers. It's all coming together for March. April, oh, happy day. So cool. May. Let's root for each other and watch each other grow for June. July, share your magic with the world. August, with those beautiful gold foil rainbows. September, live life in full bloom. October, you have the same look as the cover. November, hooray for today. December, the black and white hearts. And then the last page says notes and things. All right, so this is the classic size twin loop planner that I received. And then I also received a big size one that I'm super excited about. It is so pretty. It says good things are coming. You have these daisies. It makes me think of Natasha from the squad. She loves her some daisies. And the back has the daisies also without the foil. And then look at that inside cover. Like that yellow is so pretty with that firework kind of feel. So this one is also a vertical layout, 18-month, and I think it's going to be rather similar. Let's just do a quick flip through again. You have your page, your title page or your name page. The year at a glance was right over here. And then we go straight into our looking at the year ahead. And then yes, this is going to be really similar to what we saw earlier, except it is in the big size. So again, the little dots on the middle, you are in the right place. We rise by lifting others. By doing what you love, you inspire and awaken the hearts of others. So again, a lot of the dividers that we saw in the smaller one as well. You make a big difference every day. I love that. Focus on the good. So pretty to see all of these gorgeous dividers, and the twin loop system is really great, especially with planners that are on the go a lot. You don't have to worry about the pages coming out. It is harder to add things in. I think there probably are punches out there where you can punch and still kind of put things in like the disc system. It's just not going to be quite as easy. I love this page with all the rainbows. Look at this one, Live Life in Full Bloom. You have the muted rainbow, hooray for today, and December right there, and then your notes page at the back. So there are several new twin loop planners that you can check out. There's some that are in some gorgeous florals. There's just a whole big variety. So I totally dig this color palette, these rainbow feel. I really, really like that. I love the dividers in these. I think they're gorgeous. And I'd be interested to see which planners you kind of like better. Are you a disc system person, or are you a twin loop person? Or do you like having the planner all together in one thing? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this whole twin loop idea. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. These planners will go on sale on February 22nd. I will have a link in the description box below. That is an affiliate link, just a heads up. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does go a long way towards supporting this channel. I want to say thank you to all my patrons. Thank you so much for your support. You guys are awesome. Otherwise, I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.